Hey! That's really creepy. Hey guys, it's Monday! No. You can be in it if you want. This is my
Monday.
sister.
It's gross out.
Nothing's really awesome today, so... Basically, all that I did today was we went and got clothes. Do you guys want to see something cool? So, I don't have any rain boots. I haven't had rain boots in a long time. Like, since I was, 7. And I just got this pair of rain shoes. They're not rain boots, because I don't really like rain boots that much, but look at these things! How cool is that? They're like rain boots, but they look like a shoe.
Like, specifically Converse All-Stars.
Which are super cool. So yeah, I like my new rain boots, rain shoes. I think they call them wellies in the UK. I like it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yesterday I went and saw Darren 3D with my friend Sarah. You guys know Sarah. And no, it's not called Glee 3D. It's definitely Darren 3D. Look, I'm barely moving, and this thing is going crazy. Earthquake! Okay.